Hello, so welcome to the next tutorial of PHP. So in this we are going to have a PHP and MySQL connection. So there is a question: write a PHP script to accept actor name and show movie details in the table format. So you need to create a database and then table which has actors and movie information, and then accept the actor name from user, and according to the actor name you should print details of movie. So you can have any kind of details like movie number, movie name, release year of a movie, the actor name which acted in the movie. So for that, let's have a HTML and PHP code. But before this, let's create a database and a table. So here is a MySQL Connect, localhost, root, and MOV. So this is the parameter MOV, which is a database. So you should create a database which is mentioned here MOV. And in MOV, there is a table called movie. So let's create this database and table in a MySQL. So to connect with a MySQL, you should go to the particular file path. So if you have installed MySQL, so you should redirect to C program files, MySQL server and bin directory. And into the bin directory, after entering into the bin directory, you can have MySQL, H, localhost, U, root and P. P is a password where you can enter password. After firing this query, you can connect with a MySQL. So you can see this MySQL. Then using this, create database MOV. There is a creation of a database. Name of the database is MOV. You should use that database. Use MOV because you should enter into the database to create a table. Now create a table. Create table movie. So create table is a query, movie is a name of the table, and here are columns names. So MID int, movie name, M name, varchar, release year, R year int, A name is a actor name. So table is created. Now we are going to insert value into a table. So insert into movie values. First is MID, next is M name, next is R year, release year, and this is movie and actor name actually. So this is actor name in the movie table. So like this we can insert value multiple times. 11/3/2/2024 Rajkumar Rao. So we are going to insert multiple values because we should have something to show. So 12 Bareilly Ki Barfi to 2020 Rajkumar Rao. So there are three entries of Rajkumar Rao. Insert into movie values 13 Mr. and Mrs. Mahi Rajkumar Rao. So let's select this, select star from movie. So you can see there are how many, 1 2 3 4 rows in the movie table. So let's insert something new. Insert into movies values. So 14. Let's have another movie name. And name of the actor. Yes. So if you select all the entries from the movies. So there are 14 entries. Actually, there are 3 entries for Rajkumar Rao, actor name, and there are 2 entries for Shah Rukh, actor name. So let's see how to execute this using PHP. So you need to connect with a MOV. So first, have a body form. Form method is post. Action is PHP echo server, PHP self. So it is a self-processing example which says input, process, output, it is in the same page. So accept actor name using text box. Input type is text, username is ID, name is you, and required. So this should not be empty. Actor name should be field. Then input type is submit. There is a button and end of the form, end of the body. So let's accept this name u variable which is coming from the user and store it into the m, that is into a PHP variable. So $post u. After this, you can connect with a MySQL. So you can provide string for connection, that is localhost, username is root, password is root, and mov is a table. It is not table, it is database. So localhost, username, password, and database. So you should fire a query. This query, select mname r year from movie where a name is equal to $M. It should be in a single quote where you have accepted from the user. Correct. Now this m name and r year column name should look like this. M name and r year and a name, because those are columns of tables. Now we have a table format, TRTD, movie name, movie year, and whatever is query executing using MySQL I query using a $con connection and query is a select details of a movie. So whatever data is going to store in a RES. So RES have more than one record. So we have while loop here. Now that data is treated in a PHP as a associative array. So whatever m name is like key and its actual value is a value. So for example, if you consider m name is a key, then Jawan is a value. M name is a key, Stree 2 is a value. So fetch associative result into a row. So you can print one by one row. So $row of m name and $row of r year. So you should echo and print it into a table row with a table data, field name 1 and field name 2. So after printing this, close the connection, $con. $con is this. And end of the body, end of the HTML. Now let's execute this. So already I have XAMPP Apache services are on. So let's http localhost movie db movdb.php. So you can see actor name. If you click actor name entering uh, without entering any value and then show movie, so it says please fill out this field because it is required. So let's have some name, Rajkumar Rao, and show movie. So it is fetching the actor name and its movie name and its movie year. So whatever entry we have, you can see Rajkumar Rao. There are 3 entries for Rajkumar Rao: Stree, Bareli Ki Barfi, and Mr. and Mrs. Mahi. So you can see there are 3 entries for actor name. If you can have another actor name, yes, so you can see 2 entries already there. So you can say that this is connection is done and it is executing successfully, connecting successfully. So you just need these functions: MySQL connect, localhost, root, username, password, and database name. And to execute query, you have MySQL query. So this is example of PHP and MySQL. So more examples like this are coming. So thank you.